Powerpods wireless earbuds. The USP of this earbud is its premium look, futuristic technology, and this can also be used as a power bank with 150 hours case battery backup. These are specially for the gamers as they are named as Wings Powerpods gaming earbuds. Inside the box, you will get 2 Bluetooth earbuds, 3 interchangeable tips, 1 portable charging case, 1 charging cable, 1 user manual, and a warranty card. Well, considering the small size of these pods, they have got a real good bass. Its 13mm high-fidelity composite drivers will encourage you to focus on every sound cue in order to outperform your opponents while delivering the bass with a punch. And connectivity is really very good with no disconnection issues as the Powerpods are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 with speed sync and open and on tech to ensure the fastest pairing interaction. Make sure your charging case is charged up. Simply open the lid of the charging case. The earbuds will turn on and will automatically enter the pairing mode. The earbuds light will blink while the buds are in pairing mode. Just tap the Powerpods from the smartphone's Bluetooth menu. There is a notification prompt after a successful connection. This indicates that the earbuds are successfully connected to your device. Now you can start playing the media. The LED indicators on both the pods are so elegant and look very classy. So glam up and light the way with the Powerpods earbuds, and the LED ring light on the Bluetooth earphones do look very premium. Because the LED glows variably, people are gonna notice you a lot. That too is worthy a premium feel. So if you like to boost your tech around, these might be just the right choice for you. To manually turn on and off the earbuds, long press the touch sensor for 5 seconds on both the earbuds. Just double tap the touch sense on any one of the earbud to pause the music and double tap again to resume the playing music. Just triple tap the touch sensor on the right earbud to go to the next song, and touching 3 times on the left one will play the previous song. Single tapping the sensor on the right earbud to increase the volume, and single tap the touch sensor on left earbud to decrease the volume. To activate the voice assistant, just long press the touch sensor of your left earbud. And especially for turning on the gaming mode, just long press the right earbud for 2 seconds and it is on. The earbuds will do a breathing light effect, and when you want to turn it off, just long press the right earbud for 2 seconds. The charging case is very sturdy with perfect finish. You can charge your earbuds or even your phone with the colossal case power as it acts as a power bank as well. Just plug the USB end of the cable into the charging case and the other end into your mobile. The screen will show out along with the battery percentage to indicate that the power bank function is active. The battery LED indicator comes up as soon as you open the charging case and remains for some time. The sleek looking case has a digital display to showcase the battery's percentage, so you are informed about the power needed. And the battery backup of this earpod is really very large. You can keep on using them for long hours. With a whooping 150 hours of battery backup for the earbuds in the case, you would never have to worry about charging them. And if the battery goes down, pop one earpod in the charging case and meanwhile, you can use the another one. This wireless earbud is actually having impressive HD quality mic that helps you communicate clearly no matter where you are. So just give them a try and do let us know what you like the most in them. And if you wanted to check out this product, then link of this is available in the description box below. Well, this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. We'll see you soon in a very new video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.